Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and this is a detailed analysis video of the Mobox. Okay, I have drawn this analysis for you guys, and it took me almost 30 minutes to analyze because the data, let me show you the data on the tradingview.com is only limited from the 19th of August 2021. Okay, so it's a very limited data. Okay, I can't make predictions on the basis of limited data. What I have to do was I need to find out the exchange on which the Mobox was already listed before the Binance, and here I have found an exchange called the hotbit.com, and here we have the data. We have the, because here the hotbit the Mobox was listed back in June 16. Yeah, it was listed there on the June 16. Now here guys, this is a detailed analysis of the Mobox, and guys just hold on for a minute. Let me show you. This is the parabolic move at this phase. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you, or first I am gonna explain you. Okay, let me show you the parabolic move. I have already shown you this one. You see, this is a parabolic move, and after the parabolic move we have a huge sell-off, and then again retest of the confirmation that we are in the downtrend, and after that we move in the strong downward trend, and then another retest at the previous swing low here, and double top, making the double top, and then the price shoots down. So this is, and this usually happens after the the double top. Okay, now after the parabolic move. Now let's take a look at the Mobox here in detail. Now guys, I have drawn the levels. Okay, and these are certain levels here. Right now, if I show you the accumulation phase, guys, here take a look at yourself. Okay, this is an accumulation phase where the price was accumulating, where the people were buying and there was not a lot of selling. You can see the candles, size of the candles were very small. Okay, this indicates that the price was in the ranging market and accumulation market, and it had to break out, and it break out at this range. So we're gonna call this one the accumulation phase to be the phase 1. So okay, this is the phase 1. I'm gonna declare it the P1. Okay, next up this was the P2. Okay, this is the phase 2, and here what happened was the breakout. Okay, breakout happened with a strong volume. You can see down there we had a strong volume here, and it was due to the listing of Binance, and because the Mobox was listed on Binance, and the price shoots up with a strong momentum. And what happened, you can see afterwards. So what happened after breakout, the price went up, and it had to after making a breakout, it had to correct itself. And what happened here, price made the third move. This is the P3, phase 3. Okay, phase 3. And what happened, the price came down for the correction here at this level. Okay, and then it was in the ranging market. You can say it was making strong support at this level. Okay, it never went down, it never went down, so it was making a support here. Okay, what happened afterwards? So we have P1 here, we have P2 here, and this was the P3, where the distribution sell-off phase and then ranging phase, sell-off phase and then the ranging phase. What happened after the ranging phase? Because due to the you can say due to the rejection from the downside, making the double bottom from here, the price went up, and with a strong volume it break out again. And after the ranging market, usually two things happen. Okay, after the ranging market, two things happen. Sorry for the drawing, guys. Usually two things happen. Okay, let me again draw it. After the ranging market, usually two things happen: either break out on the upside or the breakdown on the downside. But it depends on the previous candles, the data of the previous candles, where if the price is more prone to the downside with a strong downward pressure, then the price goes down. Otherwise the price moves on the upside direction. You can see here there were more green candles as compared to the the selling volume, so there was a momentum built up here. So this was the phase 3. Okay, now let's head over to the phase 4. Let me show you the phase 4 was a parabolic move. Okay, 1 2 3. Now this was the phase 4 here. So this is the breakout parabolic pattern, okay, which I just shown you a moment ago on from the Google. Now here what happened, the price shoots up and made all-time high, and it made all-time high, and after that a huge sell-off happened. You can see here huge sell-off happened. And what happened afterwards, let me show you again. Let me show you. I'm giving you a general preview, guys, so keep an eye on it and focus yourself here. The price made the huge parabolic move, okay, the price made the huge parabolic move here, huge parabolic move here, okay, and after that huge sell-off, okay, then price went up, tried, tested, got rejected, then again the price came down, okay, and then again got tested and rejected from the previous down, from the previous swing low, and now the price is gonna move more down towards this area, okay. It has broken the support. Now keep this pattern in mind, okay, and now I'm gonna show you the pattern here. Now focus yourself here again, the parabolic move, okay, then huge sell-off, okay, then price made swing high here, got rejected from previous swing high, then again the price moved down, then price made up, got rejected, and what happened afterwards? Strong move towards the downside. Again, we are now in this phase. To be honest, we are in this phase, okay. So this is the current reality of the Mobox, okay. We are in this phase, okay, this phase. So keep that in your mind. We might be going down strongly because this is the 4-hour support, this is the 12-hour support. Again, if you I have shown you the the general trend, I have shown you the overall picture, okay. A lot of people have asked me for the Mobox detailed analysis, and this is the detailed analysis for you guys, okay. Now you can see this is a 4-hour chart and 4-hour candle, okay, and we have broken the 4-hour support here. You can see exactly the 4-hour support has been broken. Now what is the next stage? As per my knowledge, the price is gonna move down to the 6.57 or 6.59. this is the area, okay, this is the range, this is the next support where the price is gonna land here, okay. And we after that we might gonna see some movement again from towards the previous support for the rejection, for the confirmation, and if it got rejected from here, then surely the price is gonna move down hard, and it's gonna move down to this area, might be this area. It's gonna test all the levels, okay, it's gonna test all the level of supports. So right now if I zoom in, you have to keep an eye on the 6.5730 level, okay. You can place your buy orders at this area, and you can do the scalp, quick scalp from 6.57 to 7.2519, okay. So this is the scenario of the Mobox, okay, and I will make the video further from here. If the price goes down to this area, then from here it's gonna move towards this direction, and after this area, okay, after this it will depend on this area, and whether it's gonna break the level or it's gonna reject from this level, okay. If it gets rejected from this level, then surely we're gonna crash more. So this is the detailed analysis of the Mobox, MBOX, okay. So technical analysis of Mobox. I think you've got the idea how the price behaves, how the general trends behaves. You have to look out for the phases. This was the phase 1, this was the phase 2, 3, and then 4, and now we are ready for the 5, 6, and now a 7 phase. So you have to memorize everything. You have to learn this candlestick patterns. Indicators are not gonna work here. It's all about the patterns. You have to follow the patterns and the phases. That is the way, that is the only way you can predict the price of any coin, okay. So this is my analysis. It can be wrong, but this is all I have to say. You can check out on Google for the parabolic pattern, and rest you can decide on your own. So that was it from my side, guys. This was the price analysis of Mobox, MBOX. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.